against Pakistani militants and Pakistani civilians. Are you a supporter?
We said that drone strikes are counterproductive. What does counterproductive mean? It means that they are actually fueling extremism and assisting people to attract more people towards extremism. We said that they were against Pakistan's territorial integrity.
We is who? The Pakistani government?
The Pakistani government.
So why, thanks to a US State Department cable, do we hear the Pakistani Prime Minister, Yusuf Raza Gilani, your then boss, saying in private, I don't care if they, the Americans, do drone strikes, as long as they get the right people. We'll protest in the National Assembly and then we'll ignore it. How cynical, how two-faced was your government, protesting in public against drone strikes, but backing it in private?
But guess what, Mehdi? I was the foreign minister. The prime minister never said this in the room when I was in the room.
What does that say to you about your status within the government?
No, I was pretty much in every important meeting. So
apart from the one where he said, I like drone strikes.
I was foreign minister from 2011, March 2011, till the end of our term. But what I'm saying is that I'm not going to. Yeah, I probably
was.
But I'm not willing to
strikes?
believe that he would say a thing like this. I really am not.
So it's made up?
No, possibly could be. Why not?
Okay, so when President Zardari said to journalists on the record in 2010 in Lahore, there are no differences between Pakistan and the US over any issue, including drone attacks. How does that fit with what you were saying a few minutes
I think what
ago?
he was referring to was the fact that the US also believes that drone strikes are not a permanent solution. And they do. Okay, let me give you a statistics. For 47 people who were on the hit list, what they call the high-value targets, between Yemen and Pakistan, the US, according to the most conservative reports, killed 1,147 people. How is that? What does that say to you about propelling extremism?
I agree with you. I'm saying to you, I think drone strikes are bad. Sure. The problem is your government in private didn't seem to think they were bad.
What I'm saying is that...
The president, when he talked to reporters, the president told Michael Hayden, CIA director, President Zardari, collateral damage worries you Americans. It does not worry me, in reference to drone strikes.
Not in the room.
You weren't in the room. So Zardari, Gilani, they take all these decisions, but they don't tell you,
what I'm
the
saying
foreign
is
minister.
that I refuse to believe
and you go out into public to say drones are bad while they're in the back going,
what I'm saying is that it is...
I mean, explain to me how it works.